Today we talk about how can you edit your avatar on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above your photo. You click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on style avatar, then just switch in here to open with you. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above edit, click on it. So then here can you edit your avatar here, can you select it here if you want to get in the game here, or just here can you select it face here and a in the body. So here can you select it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So when you're down, go up or save, click on it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.